Imagine sex so complicated it makes human relationships look simple. Some fungi don't have two sexes. They have more mating types than entire towns. That sounds like a punchline. It's the real biology of a humble mushroom named Schizophyllum commune, and it flips everything you think about sex. At first glance it's ordinary, a little shelf mushroom clinging to dead wood, but under the microscope it's an arena. Every individual carries chemical keys and locks. Only when two keys and locks match the right way do they fuse and spawn offspring. And there are not two or three keys. There are tens of thousands. Pause on that. Tens of thousands of mating identities living in the same forest floor, each one a unique code. When two fungi meet, they run a compatibility test that is stricter than any dating app. Fail the test and no fusion. Pass it, and they merge their networks, share genes, and build a sprawling web that can live for years. Why would evolution bake such complexity? The answer is survival hidden in disguise. With thousands of mating types, the odds of two incompatible relatives mating are almost zero. It's a firewall against inbreeding. It's nature's trick to keep genetic mixes fresh, adaptable, and unpredictable. Pathogens can't catch up, and sudden environmental shifts meet a population with a staggeringly diverse deck of cards. But it goes deeper. When compatible types fuse, they don't just reproduce. They create an emergent organism that acts like a single intelligence across meters of soil, rerouting nutrients, pumping defenses, and altering the chemistry of the wood they eat. What begins as millions of tiny spores becomes a concerted force that reshapes its environment. Think of it as social engineering at the microscopic scale. Not male or female, but thousands of social identities cooperating and competing. It rewrites the idea that sex exists only to make babies. Here, sex is a mechanism for building networks, for resilience, for ecological dominance. And there's a twist that gets darker. These fungal alliances can trade genes sideways, borrowing adaptive traits on the fly. Imagine a community swapping survival tricks like a living toolkit. That fluid exchange may be one reason fungi colonize extremes, break down rock into soil, and even help plants survive drought. So the next time you step over a mushroom, remember you walked over a city of secret identities, a living experiment in cooperation, coded in molecules. It's sex, but rewritten on nature's wildest terms. If this blew your mind, hit follow and share this, because the world looks different when you learn how life really gets along.